Hello everybody, in today's video we're making Mămăligă. It is a national dish of Moldova. Let's go! So we're gonna add 1 liter of water, 2 teaspoons of salt, so we added 1 tablespoon of corn flour. We're gonna put it on medium, and now we wait for it to boil. So now it's boiling, and we're gonna add more corn flour. For the 1 liter of water, we're gonna add 350 grams of corn flour. We're gonna use a whisk. So we're adding it slowly and we're whisking it. This is to prevent any sort of lumps from forming. Now we're gonna change it to the wooden spoon. We continue mixing it. We're cooking it on medium-low, and we're gonna cook for about 20 minutes, periodically mixing everything so it doesn't burn, it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. Now we're gonna add butter. It's about 2 tablespoons of butter.